Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to KSR Data Vision. In today's session, we're going to discuss about data science with generative AI. In order to understand the generative AI, we need to understand the data science. When you're clear thought process of data science, then it will be easy for you to understand the generative AI. So in today's session, basically I'm going to focus on data science. Based on today's class, I will incorporate the generative AI in tomorrow's session. Will it be fine? Without explaining the data science, it will be difficult for you to understand the generative AI. Now, when I ask the question, the first question before I start the session, I ask the question to everyone. Why do you want to learn data science and with generative AI? Everyone made a comment that because of upskilling, because of trending technology. Am I right? Let me give a simple example. Let's start with your points. Upskilling and trending technology. Now let me show you few companies. Have you ever seen these companies? Have you ever read about these companies? Have you ever read about these companies?
Yes.
Come on, guys, let's have a discussion. Have you ever read about these companies?
Yes.
But they all are gone.
Sorry?
They all are gone now.
They are gone. Okay, Kodak, Nokia, BlackBerry, Barnes and Noble. You know, when I was going first day of my engineering college, my father given a first mobile is Nokia basic mobile way back in 2005 and 6. Right? What is the common in all these four companies? What is common in all four companies?
They could not transit to the new technology.
At one point of time, these four companies are the market leaders in their particular domain. For example, if you talk about Nokia, till we are evoluted towards or we migrated towards the smartphone, only phone which is famous in the market is Nokia. Almost more than 40 years, it led the market. Kodak. Before smartphones, Kodak is the market leader. Similarly, BlackBerry. So the common point in all these four companies are market leader at one point of time in their respective industry. Am I right? But eventually what happened? As they are not upgraded, as they are not upskilled, as they are not adapting the trending technologies or trending technologies in their domain or in their industry, they were the market leaders in their domain at one point of time. They fallen behind to other competitors. In the competition, they could not able to survive. Now everyone are looking for a job. If you want to be in the competition, you must be upgrade or you must be upskill yourself. As we have seen these four companies, at one point of time, they are market leaders, as you know that. But they fall behind because of competition. And slowly, what happened? Slowly, they are not sustaining the competition. They, due to technological disruptions or due to technology changes or evolution in industry, they are abrupted from the market. They are abrupted from the market. This is called technology disruption. Understood the point? So one point from this slide, what you learn? Upgrading. And if you want to be in the competition, upskill. Let me give a classic example. Everyone know about that. Let me give one more classic example to make you better understand. What is this? Mobile phone with a keypad. With a keypad. Do you think is it easy to type everything? As a keypad, if you want to send a message, let's say I want to send a message to Srinivas. So I need to type everything, right? If I want to take a photo, it will be difficult, right? As it is not smartphone. As industry is evoluted towards the smartphone, now how life become very easy with technological or technical advancements. How we migrated, how we have evoluted from keyboard or keypad mobile to smartphone. It is all because of technological changes or technological disruptions in the market industry. So, as you guys are learning the data science in respect to industry, why company will give a job for you? Because you need to understand the patterns in the company, what is happening, how you want to make a decision. For example, Everyone, how many of you invested in the stocks? Or how many of you interested in the stocks? Anyone have invested in the stock? Anyone bought the land? No, nothing.
Yes, I
But
have invested in the stocks.
stock. Mohit, just give me Mohit. Let me give an example to Mohit. Mohit, if you're able to, with the help of data science and AI, if you're able to understand which stocks is going to give 500% returns in next 1 month, if you're able
Mhm.
to find that, is it a benefit? Is it a life change for your career?
Yeah, that will be absolutely.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Right? When you're able to do, if you understand about the technology, if you understand the fundamentals of the industry. For example, as everyone know about a company called TCS, right? There is a stock called TCS. As everyone know about the company called TCS. If you understand the fundamentals of TCS, how TCS is working, how TCS is generating the revenue, how much debt they have, what percent of debt they have, how much revenue year on year. If you're able to understand the patterns, then you can easily understand the how much it is growing next 1 month, next 1 year. That is, in order to make a decision, in order to identify multi-bagger, a right stock, we are using the data science. So simple to say, data science we are going to use to make a decision. Am I right? We are going to use it to make a decisions. Let me explain. So business leaders should understand the technology trends. As a data scientist, as a AI, how industry is moving year on year. If you look into the data growth, if you look into the data growth year on year, so I just do the available data from the Google Trends, big data from 2000, big data. See how the graph is changing, how the data is moving, storing of the data. So as we are living in a digital world, everyone are using social media. What are the social media tasks? Like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn. What else? Twitter, multiple. Do you know how much data are we generating minute on minute, second on second? It is a huge volume of data. You need to understand, you need to analyze the data with the help of AI or with the help of data science to make a better decisions. And data growth for unstructured data. So in the industry, 88% of data which is unstructured data. 88% of data which is unstructured data. Only 12% of data is structured data. Majorly for this 12% contribution which is done by the banking industry. For example, just I took the sales fee. Is it a structured data or unstructured data? Let me explain you. You have a question. Sir, what is the meaning of structured and unstructured data? Structured means any idea? Anyone have idea what is in structured data? Any idea what is in structured data? Any idea what is structured data? Structured data means it is a
Structured
kind
data
of
is the data which we can easily visualize by any visualization tool. And structured data is like that which we have to transform to get the output.
somewhat correct, Mohit, but let me give simple easy example. Structured data means it is a kind of table data. Table. Table means it is a kind of rows and columns. Combination of rows and columns are called structured data. Then, suppose if you have data which is in the form of PDF, Word document, image, website data, right? Any graph, image like Google Map, everything, rest everything except table, rest everything will be considered unstructured data. Understood easily? Any data which is in the form of table. Table means like let's say in the classroom. Now, how many students have joined the class? 55 members have joined the class. I want to take the names, location, address, phone number. Where do I store? I store in a table format. Suppose I've taken the foot of every student, image of every student. Then it is a unstructured data. Anything which you cannot able to store in table format, that will be considered as unstructured data. Easy examples are PDF, image, JPG, PNG, right? All are the examples of this, right? So that means, as you observe that, as you're doing a chatting with a friend, let's take an example, Facebook. In the messenger, you do a chat with your friend, right? Now tell me, is it a structured data or unstructured data, guys? When you're doing a chat with a friend, is it a structured data or unstructured data?
Unstructured data.
Unstructured. You're chatting, you're doing a chatting with a friend, is a text data, right? Text is a unstructured data. When you like a buttons, photo likes, it is everything. The data which is generating by social media, it is unstructured data. Be it a Twitter, be it a LinkedIn, be it a Facebook, be it a Google, anything, right? Let's say you have your marks. What about that? Marks sheet. That's the mark sheet. It called
Structure. Structured
structured
data.
structured data. What about a credit card bill statement? Credit card bill
Sure.
statement, guys. How many of you are using credit card? Most of you guys are using credit
Structured
card.
data.
Srinivas are using credit card.
Yes.
So everyone bill gets generated on behalf of your name.
Structured data.
So you have a credit card. When you have a credit card on behalf of your name, every month bill gets generated for the transaction you have done. You'll get the data which is in the PDF form, in the table format in the PDF. So bills generated by the bank is generated by the bank. Everything is a structured data. For example, now I distributed a data science material. Is it a structured data or unstructured data? I distributed a material, data science material. How do I distribute a data science material? Which is in the form of either image or text. Then it is a unstructured data. So year on year, when I started my journey, we are at a very, very niche. We consider data science as a niche skill in the year of 2012. In entire India, we have only 100 companies are working for data science and AI. In the year of 2012, when I started my career. By 2018 or 2020, we have thousands of companies, lakhs of companies are using data science everywhere. Now, everyone ask a question. So let's everyone ask the question. Let's understand let's understand with and without data science. With and without data science. Let's understand the any questions so far, guys? Any doubts? Yes, please.
You told that PDFs are unstructured data.
Correct. In the credit card statement, which is in the format table format, right? Then you extracted the table from the PDF, it will be a structured data only, right?
Yeah, but if you share material also, you share PDF or a document.
That we write a text only, right? Then text could be unstructured data, right? Suppose if I write data science, what is data science? Definition, I write text only, right? I cannot write in the table, right? Even if I mention the table, I write text only, right? Not the numbers.
The,
Yes. Correct. Now let's understand with and without some data science. Have you ever wondered? Everyone are using shopping. Everyone are doing the shopping. What are the websites do you use the for shopping? Flipkart and Amazon. Have you ever wondered how companies are able to personalize advertisements for their customers? For example, you are looking for a laptop. You are planning to buy a laptop. Am I right? You are planning to buy a laptop. You search for laptop, best laptop in Amazon website. Whenever you're looking something else, always get the advertisements which are related to laptops only. Maybe you want to buy a shirt or dress material, anything related to those advertisements. How companies giving advertisement, personalized advertisement, how data science is helping them to give a personalized advertisements. For example, let me go to one simple example. Let me give a simple example, guys. Let me go to simple example. Amazon website. Okay. See shop, use percentage not low. See here, collect your reward, top discounts on the items. Buy it again. See, buy it again means it tracking your previous order. Maybe my wife would have ordered this thing, right? Maybe computer accessories, right? See here, they're giving the discount. There are a lot of discounts. So similarly, if you look in, let's say if I order computer accessories, when I click on the computer accessories, let's see. When I click on the computer accessories, see here, I'm looking for smartwatch. Let's say I'm looking for laptop. Okay? Laptop. Some laptop, HP laptop, something. See here. They're giving the discounts and everything, and they're giving the comparison. With the similar items. And they give the discounts and everything, right? Related products. And also, apart from these products, They also see, remember, very, very important, frequently brought together. Frequently brought together. So what are trying to buy? We are planning to buy only laptop, but along with the laptop, it also giving a recommendation for us to buy the laptop bag and reversible product like slip glove, something. Okay. So other products also recommend. This is called recommendation engine. This is called recommendation. In retail industry, these are the major challenges where industry facing now, or where industry is working up correctly. For example, let me give one more example, better understanding. Let me give one more example for better understanding. For example, have you ever been to any DMart? Have you ever been to DMart? DMart,
Yes.
right? DMart or more or Spencer, Big Bazaar. See, vegetable rice item, nearby rice item, you can also get the masala items. Just think it. Just recall it once. Maybe if you get sugar and coffee powder, tea powder, which will be very close by. Or even if you go to any showroom like Trends, or if you go to like Shopper Stops, you go to something called Mac showroom. Nearby trouser, you also get the t-shirt or shirt, right? Nearby formal shirts, formal pant, trouser, you will get the suit. Try to just think it logically. These called recommendation. People buy one product, there is a more likely, if I buy a shirt, more likely chances I may also buy the trouser. If I buy formal shirt and trouser, more likely chances I may buy tie. This is a recommendation engine where you need to place, how you need to place, how you need to make it visible to others. It can be done with the help of data science. These are the industry challenges. If you're able to place them very correctly, you can able to get good revenues, can able to sell more products. How you need to, which product you need to recommend, how you work, how are going to work on it. This is the one of the biggest area where industry is suffering. Understood? Okay. So that is what first, how companies are able to personalize advertisement for their customers. What advertisement I need to recommend? So recommendation is one of the use concept which is really, really important if you want to become a data scientist, or if you want to be a retail industry. Like if you want to target the companies like Target, company name is Target, or if you want to target the company like Pittsburgh, if you want to target the more DMart, Reliance, ITC, these are HDFC, right? These are the companies where the target, right? And also in the not only the retail industry, in the banking industry, anyone have a loan, personal loans or home loan? Anyone in this group having home loan or personal loan? No one? No one?
Yes,
Rajendra
I have.
Reddy?
Yes, sir,
Yeah.
I have, sir.
Yes.
Deepak. So Deepak sir, let's say whenever the personal loan or home loan, they also recommend you to take the insurance,
Correct.
right?
Yes.
Ideally, you are
Yes.
not required to buy the insurance. If a person have taken a loan, either personal loan or home loan, they force you to take the insurance, buy together. That is a recommendation, are also called cross, are also called. These are the areas where companies are focusing to improve their revenues. Okay, understood the first point, guys? Because I want to tell you that I don't want to tell you the definition and all. I want to tell you where data science is, how they are using it to make you better understanding about this. Okay, next point. Now, very common trend. Everyone is using their WhatsApp, right? WhatsApp, they're using two ways to authenticate factors. Security purpose. One is face locking. Second is password, finger. Third is password, right? How phone, how phone can detect it is your face. For example, now I'm using Rajendra's face. The same mobile, if I use Deepak face, will be able to detect? No, right?
No.
Not able to detect. So again, the background of this, we are using to match the faces. We are using image processing or image recognitions. Image, if you're able to image recognition, then only the face will open, right? or the particular app will open, our phone will unlock. These things can be done with the help of data science and AI. It is one of the fundamental basic application of AI. The AI started with the image recognition only. How image stores in the database. How image identify the similar images. If I pass cat, if I show the dog, will system able to detect it or not? That can be done with the help of AI. The background of it, again, they're using the data science only. Understood? Now, very important. Every day before you go to bed, everyone open in everyone's phone. Most of the cases, most of the people phone, we have Hotstar, we have Netflix, Prime, Sony. You watch the web series, right? Or you watch some movies, latest movies, OTT movies, and all. How Netflix or Prime or anything will show some most movie which would you want. For example, you select thriller movies, or let's say crime movies, spy movies, when CID spy. Automatically, when you saw YouTube also, in fact, YouTube also, let's say you're looking for business videos, automatically next week onwards, it will recommend the business. For example, I don't want to open mine, but let's say I open the YouTube. Simple. I don't know which one it will come. Okay. So I don't know which one it is coming. For example, let's say I opened the decoding of white paper of Indian economy. Am I right? Just open the some YouTube. See, automatically next see, it is related to the economy, right? Indian economy. The recommendation, the right side, we have to see recommendation. Why India has a poor credit rating. Jay Shankar clears India stand on Russia, right? Will Paytm crash, make money, right? Right, friend Jay, something. See, automatically the recommendation which comes, Paytm, which is related to the all related to economy only, right? Right. So based on your history, whatever the movies or shows you watch, it will recommend the upcoming videos, similar videos, upcoming or similar videos. Again, to recommendation here, which plays a vital role. Again, we are using the data science here in this industry. Are you able to follow me, guys? Any confusion? Any questions, guys? Abdul, Sultana, Akash, Brijesh,
Yes, sir.
Deepak, Srinivas Kumar, Sriram, Sayed.
Yes, sir.
Any questions, please?
Is there any other use case apart from recommendations?
Yeah, I'm coming to that point. I'm coming to that points one by one. I'm coming. That is the use. I mean, that is the use case I want to show. One of the use case I show about the recommendations. So now we discuss about the just recommendation part. Now everyone mind is that what is data science? What is, you're talking from last half an hour talking data science, data science. What is the definition of the data science? We understand the one of the use case recommendation. Data science is nothing but making the art of making decision. Simple as a layman, data science is nothing but art of making decisions. What is the data science? What is the definition of data science? Art of, how do you make a decision? By using historical data. By using historical data. So how historical data? It analyzing raw data and transforming it into meaningful information. Whatever the historical data, ultimately with the help of data science, you make a decision. How do you make a decision? By using historical data. Historical data means the data which can be any form. Raw data, I said. Raw data means we are speaking the class. That is the raw data. And text to voice, right? Voice to text. Or messages, WhatsApp messages, or table data. Anything is a raw data. Analyze the raw data and transform the raw data into meaningful information. For example, does anyone able to understand Russian? Does anyone able to understand Chinese? If I given some text message in Chinese, will be able to understand the Chinese? No. What you need to do? You need to transform the Chinese into your preferable language and your known language, such as English. Then you can able to understand that text messages, which was in Chinese, converted into English. Then you can able to understand the English language text. You can able to make a decision. You can able to reply them. The moment if you could not able to understand, will you able to make a decision? No. So that is the reason. In order to make a decision, we need to convert the transform the raw data into meaningful information. Meaningful information. That is what the meaning of data science. Data science is nothing but making a decision by using raw data and making a decision by using historical data. So data science is a combination of three pillars. If you want to learn a data science, three things you need to. You must have a language, computer science, you must have fundamental, and mathematics and statistics. The combination of all three pillars. These are the three pillars. Computer science is you must have some programming language like Python, right? PySpark, some language you must have, or database, SQL database, or anything. Mathematics, you want to understand and solve the algorithms or anything, you must have a mathematical and statistical to analyze the data or to extract the meaningful information from the data. You must have the skills of mathematics and statistics. Now, how do you make the data into availability? How do you make the data into availability? So from data generating from various sources, right? Social media. So look into that. When you open the social media, you have likes, messages, email, comments, like multiple things. Or you have data get from generated from the sensors. So for example, when you connect IoT, it is from the, let's say, fan with the remote. There is IoT in it. So how many times a day you are opening? You are closing. Let's say remote TV, remote light, right? Remote freeze. Every data is storing into the IoT. It's called IoT data. How you can able to make the decisions? How you make the able to make the decisions? So ultimately, data availability means we convert the raw data into meaningful information. That meaningful information will be helpful to make a business decisions, right? So business data and processing power. You use volume of data. How do you process it? Let's say social media generating, let's say thousands of data, thousands of petabytes. How do you process the data? In order to process data, we require an infrastructure like cloud. You require a cloud. If you want to be survive in the market now, at least you must have one cloud. Either you have a knowledge on the Azure, you have a knowledge on AWS, you have a knowledge on GCP, Google Cloud. One of thing is required, not required all this thing, one of thing. Why we require this? To store huge volume of data. To store huge volume of data, to process the huge volume of data, we are going to use this cloud, right? In our course, we are going to cover Azure. Depends on, of course, GCP is not there. Depends on Azure or AWS. Depends on people interest. Whichever you recommend or whichever you want, I will cover one of them, right? Now, other applications. Now, I think Srinivas, you asked me that other application where I use the data science, right?
Yes.
Srinivas?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we understand one of the industrial use case. We have seen the recommendation engine, right? And we understand data science. What is the definition of data science? What are the different sources available of the data? How to process the data? Now, tell me one question I'll ask everyone. My data size is 10 MB. Let me give a simple example. You are using your local system, guys, computer, your laptop. Generally, in your laptop, what is the RAM size? What is your RAM size?
Some 18, 8 or 16 GB, 32 GB like that.
16 GB, 8 GB. Let's say, just imagine you have one file, Excel file. Easy to understand. You have Excel file, which is 300 GB. 300. If you want to open that file, does your RAM supports you? Any file you open in your system, it will open based on your RAM. If more RAM occupies, the system performance will get deteriorated. If your file size 300 GB, hypothetically, your RAM size is only 16 GB. Will you be able to open the Excel file? Just think logically.
No.
How many say no? How many say yes? How many say yes? It won't be able to open, right? 300 GB, right? See, and one more drawback, Excel can able to handle up to 1 million records. Your file is, let's say, 500 million records. Then, and there is a reason why I'm telling about, there is a reason. You cannot able to. What will you do? You will use some database. Database is nothing but where you can store the data. Imagine now, instead of 500 million, your data is 1000 billion. 1000 billion records. 1000 billion. Your normal traditional database, it will store. To process record by record, how much time it will take? 4,000 crores, 20,000 crores records. It will take huge volume of data. To overcome this kind of situations, we use parallel processing. That is one of the part in your big data, Spark. To processing your speed, Spark. We are going to use as we are living in the digital world. If you want to be a data scientist or you want to generative AI, one of the fundamental skill you need to learn about Spark technology. Why we require to process volume of the right? That is how you need to learn. Now, next thing. So let me explain about the some applications, guys. Social media. What is the benefit to us? What is the benefit for us as using social media? What is the e-commerce? Two companies, social media and e-commerce. Where do we use or how do we use social media or e-commerce into our data science world? How do we use data science in these industries? Facebook, they're not running at free of charge, right? Instagram are using Instagram are running. Do you pay for any amount for Instagram? Now, how company is earning the money? How Instagram is earning the money? Do you use YouTube? Have you ever used the YouTube, guys? Right? How YouTube is earning the money? Are you paying
by
any money?
YouTube, by YouTube ads.
By AdWords advertisement. See here, how these industries are using targeting advertising. So, for example, let me give a simple example. Now, today we have a demo, right? We have a data science demo. How you guys know about data? How you guys know about KSR? By reaching someone. How you reach the someone?
By advertisement.
By advertisement. Listen careful. By advertisement, right? Let's say if I target the audience of the barber, will it be helpful to me?
No.
Does the guy who is working in pharmaceutical, let's just give you an example, the guy who's working in manufacturing industry who just passed out of 10th standard, does this course be helpful? No, right? No, right? I need to target the right audience so that my product will reach them. My product will reach them. My product will reach them. So, how to target the right audience? In Instagram, you may see the advertisement, how they targeted. Maybe you are searching more of, let's say, saris, girls. Maybe you'll get advertisements related to saris only. Yes? How then? That is what. So, second is again social media, there is personalized recommendation, understanding the user behavior. Understand the user behavior, which is a very, very important task. For example, what you are liking, what you are liking, what you are disliking. I'll tell you one example. Does anyone knew about Donald Trump, Narendra Modi? Does anyone know about Narendra Modi and Donald Trump? I'm not against them. Don't take into personal or any political. Not against them. Okay, I'm going to make some words. I like them. I respect them. Okay, don't take personal anyone, please. How Modi become a first-time prime minister? Does anyone knew how he become the first-time prime minister? How he got that image?
By advertising and social media.
He come off the neck. See the development of Gujarat. Before Prime Minister of India, he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat. How Gujarat is shining, the same thing will replicate to India. Apart from anyone from Gujarat here? Anyone from Gujarat? No one. Right? We never seen that. We saw the only images where social media. And second thing, let's say you are not liking about Congress. Automatically, every time you will get advertisements or messages which are related to against Congress. This was done by Donald Trump. I mean, again, Congress, just to give an example, BJP and Congress in their local Democratic Republic Party is contested from Republic Party. He given the, if you're disliking about the, let's say, Democratic Party, you get always negative thoughts, negative post about the Democratic and the positive post about the Republic. This is called emotions, playing with the people emotion, emotional analysis. which is a part of NLP. Let me give one more example. Does guys, does have you ever heard about demonetization? Demonetization? No. Hey, yeah. Oh,
Yes.
7 years back, demonetization. You never heard about it?
Of course, yes.
Yes.
Demonetization means scrapping the old amount. We got the new notes, right? Money. Demon. Now the people see immediately. Some people in Twitter reacted positive about that, negative about that. Let's say today Rohit Sharma. Let's talk about latest trend. Who is the captain of India cricket? Rohit Sharma. Everyone about the Rohit Sharma guys? Yes or no? Now Rohit Sharma made some negative comments about BCCI. Automatically, what happened? It will become trending in Twitter. Now, some people respond positively to Rohit Sharma's message. Some people talk negative about the Rohit Sharma message. Now, you want to who is talking more, positive or negative? What is the people opinion? Most of them are negative about this decision or positive about the decision. That is emotions, right? That is sentimental analysis. That is sentimental analysis. One of the primary topic in NLP, sentimental analysis. NLP, natural language processing, text data, right? So this is one of the project or use case we do use sentimental, right? So that is what user behavior that can be leading to the sentimental analysis. So we discuss about personal advertisement, recommendation engine. Now we discuss third use case is sentimental analysis. Srinivas, okay? Any doubt about this?
No.
Rashid, Deepak, Suma, Vaibhav?
No, sir. Good to go.
Yeah. So customer experience, recommendations, right? Majorly predicting the sales. How many sales, right? Time series. Again, we use the time series here. How much stocks you require, overstock or under stocks, right? How much stocks, big billion day. You might have seen the big billion days. What else? We have something else. Big billion day, one more is there. October sales, big billion Republic Day sales, blah blah blah. Right? So how much is that selling? How much sales is required? How much the targeting? How many customers are going to visit our website? That is predicting the sales, predicting the web traffic. This is we are going to use a time series analysis. So again, so Mohit, are you there, Mohit? Mohit,
Yes, I'm here.
yeah. Mohit is interested in investing in stocks. So how much stock is going to increase next 1 month, next 1 week, next 1 day, next 3 days, next 1 quarter? Right? Again, we do use time series analysis.
Yes.
We develop nice application for that time series. And again, I'm talking about the AI. Hey, yeah, he's just giving the wrong. These messages just given the these things are wrong. These things are not wrong. Let me give the with the, I mean, forget about these things. He's given the wrong. I just checked it. Sorry. Who is the? Just look into the image. What is the? Can you see there? I don't forget about the name of the person. I don't ask. Read out anchor. Is a human?
He looks like a human, but he's a AI anchor.
Yeah, anchor. So whatever the news we are feeding into him, he is reading. He's generating text himself. That is again we are using the AI application generative AI. The background of generative AI, data science is the background, right? So giving the text, creating the text, right? Understand the content of the text, delivering, converting the text into voice, right? Again, we are using data science. One of the nice application which I inspired from Malayalam movie. What is this image? Android is, I'm sorry, not Android. Robot is helping to old man. Now, guys, how many of you from village background, or how many
Me,
of you are away from your parents?
I'm
Most
from village.
most of us away from our parents, right? Now our parents are in mid 50s and 60s. Am I right? Mid 50s and 60s. After 20 years, maybe your brother and sister, brother go away from country, he may stays in USA, sister goes to his husband's house. Who will stay with the family member, father, mother? If they were together, that is fine. Unfortunately, one of them is expired. One of them is expired. Who will stay with him? He or her, father or mother. One of them is there. Let's say father is. Who will speak? Who helps them? Who will give the medicine to father? Who will speak to father? Real fact, right? Here again, these are some of the use cases. Elderly companion. We create a robot. We giving a feeding the information. Train the robot. We train that every day morning 6 o'clock. You need to give a cup of tea to father. 8 o'clock you need to give breakfast. 9 o'clock you need to give medicine. 11 o'clock again lunch. So 12 o'clock lunch, 1 o'clock medicine. You need to give in that middle. You need to speak some stories or tell us some stories. By 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock dinner, you need to tell some stories. You need to take him the walk, help him for changing the medicine. I mean clothes and everything. Right? Conversations. Right? Help with the daily task, like daily task, dinner and all, everything are daily task. Again, how robot knew about all these things? Someone need to feed the right. Someone programming, someone we need to feed the information, then only they'll program, right? Programmer. You can write the code, but you need to write the algorithm, right? Machine learning algorithm or AI algorithm. These are the industry where we use data science. Understood? Srinivas, any questions, any doubt? Akash, Abdul, Rakesh, Rajesh? No. Okay. Right? Elder company. So some of the data, the most exciting applications, everyone are waiting. Chat GPT, what else? Bing, right? Bird. But these are the generative AI tools. How these tools are working? These tools will help us to create the content creation. How generative AI works in the industry and all. How various industries are working these things. We will discuss in tomorrow class. Okay. Any questions so far? In tomorrow class, I'll give an examples where application, trends, features, how world is changing, right? How world is changing, algorithm
Yeah,
works. Yeah, please go ahead.
Koti Rajunde. So as part of this, what are the technologies that we have to learn data science with generative AI?
One is I will start the course. I mean, in tomorrow class, as I was covered, I will start. My way of teaching is somewhat different with others. First,
Okay.
first thing is learn Excel. Now everyone
Okay.
think I know Excel. Everyone think that I know Excel. So what is there to learn? Do you know how to analyze the data? So first
Okay.
is, as you discussed, we have 88% of data is unstructured. Only 12% of data is structured data. Let's focus. Let's complete the 12%. Then we can jump into the 88%. Let's
Okay.
understand the Excel, how to analyze the data, how to generate the
Okay.
reports, how to create a
Okay.
dashboard by using Excel, and let's do one end-to-end project in Excel. Okay.
Okay.
Excel has a limitation of only up to 1 million records. As we are living in a digital world, we cannot survive with 1 million records. We have to learn database. In the database, we are going to use SQL, MySQL. How MySQL, how to install the database, how to create a database, how to create a table, how to join the multiple tables, how to analyze the data. And again, we'll do one project. Okay, if you are giving the one, so dealing the big data, I will connect with the power, sorry, I will connect the Python. Program is required, right, to deal with the big data.
Yes.
And then
Yes.
SQL and Python, I will connect, I will do one project, ETL project. But again, drawback, SQL read row by row. To overcome that, I will explain about the PySpark, Apache, Hive, Big Data Introduction, Hive, and Impala, and then PySpark. Now, whatever things you have done in SQL, same things you do in the Python. For example, in
Okay.
SQL, you have two tables. How to join the two tables in Python? How to join the two tables in Pandas? How to join the two tables in PySpark? And then you created the tables, you create a dashboard in Excel, you also create a dashboard in Python. Again, we will learn one visualization tool which is required is Power BI or Tableau, depends on either one of them we will cover. Most of the people, whichever is required, are interested, that I will cover. Two things is different. I will explain how to create a dashboard. And the next, introduction to machine learning, statistics and machine learning. How to build a model, how to recommendations and all. By now, after recommendations and all, you will able to prepare for interviews, basic first. And then you go with the NLP, unstructured data, will jump into unstructured data, image recognition, and then generative AI tools. How to make the PPTs effectively without coding, low coding, no coding, right? What are the different tools without writing the code in Azure, AWS SageMaker, or Azure ML? How to build the machine learning models without writing a code by using a Azure ML or AWS SageMaker? How to build the machine learning models? Okay, and I will tell you one example, guys. I want to show you one example to everyone. We build with the help of AI. We build our team, including see Enter with AI. This is the product we created ourselves. Here, login and See, resume upload, interview experience. So everything done by the AI mission. AI bot, chat bot. I want to show you. So this is the one thing we created audio video recording. We are speaking how it will store into image, video. This is the one project, live project we have done.
How many days it took?
It we given an internship to the students. For them, it took 6 months to complete this project. Not website. We created a tool for interview process, everything. If suppose you want to give a mock interview, just you log in. Here you can log in. Username, password. First sign up. Do you want to have an account? Sign up. Maybe let's say I have signed up. Koti. Let's say security. Email address. Sorry, username is not copy. But of course, you need to give the right mobile number. You'll get the OTP, guys. OTP. You'll get the OTP. But unfortunately, I given the wrong one. 3777 to see here. This is our students have done it. What is the password given? Start entry process here. So let's say select the data science. Skip. Let's say upload the resume. I given the Python, machine learning. So no prior experience. One means see. This is how we given the interview. If you want to add, please rate all these things. This is the please rate all. These are the mandatory data, deep learning, machine learning, SQL. All is required. So start interview. See here. Check video. Allow this time. Use camera. See here. Automatically how it is capturing. We have used AI tools. Generative AI. Finish. Check audio. Hello. Hello 1 2 3. Hello 1 2 3. Hello 1 2 3. Allow this time. Hello 1 2 3. Hello 1 2 3. Somewhere it is not taking because it is connected to the class, right? Why it is not taking, the background is we have a Zoom account. Then automatically it read everything. We created a AI-based application. Okay, this is how we do use this thing. Okay, so but I don't know any coding language, even basics also I don't know. Don't worry, Ashok Vardhan, we can teach you from very, very basics. The way I explained the use cases, right? Today you have seen, right? Similarly, I explained every concept with a basic intuition so that you can able to learn. However, you need to be proactive and you need to spend much time to learn the concepts. Any questions next?
Uh, After learning this course, how much experience we can claim in the market?
What is your see as a fresher? Two different ways we can do for freshers, so that you can build your own thing. So as a fresher, 6 months products, projects, everything can, and then you can try a job. You can get a package of 5 to 7 lakhs minimum package. I'm not talking about the maximum.
Do you have a job market for data science with AI at present?
Yes, sir.
For freshers, I mean.
Yes, we have. Freshers mean just passed out guys.
Just passed out, yeah.
Yeah, we have, sir. We have success rate of 70%.
Okay.
Yeah, 100% I cannot claim that everyone are getting the job because you also need to work hard. On behalf of you, I cannot write the articles. On behalf of you, I cannot do the assignments. You have to do that. When you showcase these things, then let's say you have done a project. For example, let me close this. This is the project I show you, right? Example. You have done the project. Now there's someone ask you, hey, you have done any project on AI base? Yes, I have done. If you're able to explain this project step by step, don't you think they will give you a job? Huh? Definitely they will give, right? They will ask what are the challenges you faced, what is the issue, what are the challenges, how did you overcome the challenges. I don't do anything, I learn the just I'll pay you the course fees, I want the job. Impossible. Please stay away from us. You have to work hard. Without doing that you cannot. Only 3 students who came from rural colleges, they don't have a even English background much. We ourselves, KSR company, we hired them with a 12 lakh package. Now they are permanent employees with the KS because we are going this product we are going to take into the market.
How many projects we are going to cover during this course?
Yeah, just give me 1 second. Let me stop post recording.